Good morning, my dear student. I am Dr. K. Murugan, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Commerce, Sri Sankara Arts and Science College. We discuss the subject of knowledge management. Knowledge management is practically important of our life. Introduction: in order to serve the customers better, the present day organization concentrate on understanding, adapting the managing changes for improving the quality of the products produced, improving the operational efficiency, and adopt a fast track method for delivering their products to market. For this purpose, the organization capture and utilize the relevant knowledge, and this indeed calls for a new style of management generally identified as knowledge management. We can get the definition of knowledge management. Satish Joshi, Senior, Computer System Limited, says knowledge management is a set of process and tools which give us the ability to leverage and combine the collect ability of our knowledge workers. Next one is another definition: rich in the knowledge of human nature. Learning applies to the knowledge level acquired especially through formal, often advanced schooling. From the above definition, we can define knowledge as actionable information. The word actionable refers to relevance with respect to time, place, context that falls for making effective and productive decisions. And we can get the another challenges for knowledge management. Basically, challenge for knowledge management of e-commerce and internet in the present day business scenario facilitates rapid inflow of information into organization and causing internet and external pressure distributing their effective operations. The internet provides information about organization and the enterprises competitor to their customers. Though they are in the different parts of the world, yet they are only a mouse click away. Further, the employees turnover rate is high because the employees of the organization keep moving from one to another because of the information available to them through internet about job vacancies. While employees relocate from one organization to another, they take with them the critical knowledge of the company's operations, which they learned when they were in their previous employment. The company organization are forced to adopt change management to match with the increasing pace of information technology implementation of e-commerce. Automated inventory procurement and enterprises which resource planning system ERP, change in government legislation and its regulatory framework, make the business enterprises to identify new threats and opportunities ahead of them. Customers of business organization because of their lifestyle, practice, demand for new product and services, which forces the organization to develop a new level of customer oriented personalized interactions. With such challenges ahead, it becomes impacting for the present time business house to filter information from relevant data, develop efficient management method to accept such information into organizational knowledge, and from the knowledge generate value added information. Next one, knowledge management cycle. Knowledge management can be created, captured, assessed, and used. This exercise of creating, organizing, assessing, and applying knowledge is knowledge cycle. When ideas generate in the minds of people, knowledge creation take place. When the created ideas put reports or some from of record on paper and enter into a computer system. Knowledge capture takes place when the capture knowledge classified by adding keywords capable of being indexed and modified by adding context, background, or other things to make it easy for future reviews. Organizing of knowledge take place. Knowledge management concept. Knowledge management may be defined as follows. Knowledge management is a process of acquiring, generating, accumulating, and using knowledge for the benefits of the organization to enable it to gain a competitive edge for several growth and prosperity in a globalized competitive economy. Next one point, knowledge management is systematic process consisting of standardized procedures to collect, store, distribute, and use use knowledge. The essence of knowledge management is to get right knowledge to right people at the right time. Knowledge is of two types, explicit and implicit. Explicit knowledge is visible information available in literature, reports, patent, technical specification, communication with customers, suppliers, competitors, etc. It can be enabled in rules, system policies, and procedures, etc. of the organization. Tacit or implicit knowledge is personal knowledge residing in the minds of people as a result of their personal beliefs, values, perspective, and experience. There is a need for learning, organization for enhancement, sharing, and utilization of tacit knowledge. Knowledge is a continuous process as the world economic in dynamic and full of challenges. It requires constant creation of new skills and capabilities and improvement of existing ones. Knowledge management requires wholehearted support of top management to provide cultural and technical foundation for the orientation and implementation of knowledge management practice. The objectives of knowledge management is improvement in organizational performance to to enable the organization acquire, sharpen, and utilize its competitive edge for several and growth in the global economic of today. Now, knowledge management and information technology for an overview of the process of knowledge management. Identification of knowledge needs. The first step in knowledge management is an identification of what types of knowledge is required for the successful designing and implementation of corporate strategy. Determination of knowledge assets. The management must identify what are knowledge assets of the organization, which basically are competitors, suppliers, governmental agencies, products and process technology, etc. Management must plan to get maximum return out of knowledge assets. Generation of knowledge. Generation of knowledge requires two sources. One is acquisition of knowledge through knowledge assets. For example, knowledge about new product from competitors, new technologies, social, economical, political changes. It also required transformation of raw information into knowledge useful to solve business problems. Next one, generation of knowledge by creating conditions for the emergence of a learning organization. This is the most important internal source of knowledge generation, which makes tacit knowledge of individual available for organizational process purpose. Next one, knowledge storage. It includes preserving existing and acquired knowledge is knowledge repositories. A knowledge is an a line computer based storehouse of organized information about a particular domain of knowledge. Knowledge distribution. It is a process which allows member of the organization to have an access to the collective knowledge of the organization. Knowledge utilization. It requires embedding knowledge in products, process, procedures, etc. of the organization. Best utilization of knowledge take place when managers utilize knowledge in organizational decision making. A learning organization creates condition for sharing and utilizing knowledge in organizational context. Significance of knowledge management. Significance of knowledge management could be highlighted with reference the following advantages which knowledge management provides the organization: building and sharpening competitive edge. Knowledge management enables a corporation to build and sharpen its competitive edge for several and growth in the competitive globalized economy. In fact, knowledge aided by its information technology tools enables a corporation to design and implement most appropriate corporate strategies. Betterment of human relations. Knowledge management is basically built on the knowledge generated, shared, and utilized through a learning organization. There is no doubt the learning organization provides the foundation on which the building of knowledge management could be built. A learning organization, through facilitating interaction among people of the organization, leads to betterment of human relations, which is a very big permanent asset an organization can boast of the possesses. Improvement in organizational efficiency. Knowledge management provides knowledge which can be embedded in organizational process. It makes knowledge available for decision making purpose. Thus, it helps to improve organizational efficiency, resulting in reduced cost and increased profits for the organization. Enhancement of human capital capabilities. Knowledge management, its concept and practice, motivate people to enhance their intellectual capabilities, resulting in a new skill, improvement of existing skill, etc. Thus, not only does knowledge management enhance the intellectual elements of people, but also indirectly prevents depreciation of human capital. Enhancement of enterprise goodwill. Initiation and practice of knowledge management help an enterprise enhance its goodwill in the global market, enabling it to acquire more success and prosperity. Next, knowledge economy. Definition of the knowledge economic of meaning. A knowledge economy is one that creates, disseminates, and uses knowledge to enhance its growth and development. World Bank Institute definitions. A knowledge economy generally denotes high technology industries or information and communication technologies. Knowledge economy uses data as its raw material and converts into knowledge and expertise using technology, analyzes tools and human intelligence. A knowledge based economy is the one where knowledge is the main source of wealth, growth, and employment, with a strong reliance of information technology, useful and bell. The knowledge economy is the use of knowledge to create goods and services. In particular, it refers to a high portion of skilled works in the economy of a locality, country, or the world, and the idea that most job required specialized skills. In particular, days the main personal capital of knowledge workers in knowledge, and many knowledge workers jobs required much thinking and manipulating information as opposed to moving or crafting physical objects. It stands in contrast to an industrial economy or an industrialized economy, which has mass production but where most of jobs are relatively utilized. Knowledge economy emphasizes the importance of skills in a service economy. The third phase of economy development and called a post-industrial economy. It is related to the terms information economy, which emphasizes the importance of information and non-physical capital, and digital economy, which emphasizes the degree to which information technology facilitate trade. For companies, property such as trade secrets, copyrights, and material patent process become more valuable in a knowledge economy than in early eras. The global economy transition to a knowledge economy is also referred to as the information age, bring about an information society. Next, technology and knowledge management. Technology and knowledge management are information technologies that can be used for facilitate knowledge management. Knowledge management technologies are intrinsically no different from information technologies, but they can focus on knowledge management rather than information processing. Technology and knowledge management also support knowledge management system and benefits from the knowledge management infrastructure, especially the information technology infrastructure. Knowledge management technologies consist a key component of knowledge management system. Knowledge management requires technologies to support the new strategies, process, methods, and techniques to better create, discriminate, share, and apply the best knowledge anytime and any place across the team organization and several organization, especially its clients, customers, partners, suppliers, and other key stakeholders. They can technologies or communication and collaboration uh, technologies that are web based for internet and internet usage, as well as mobile technologies such as PDA and PC telephone and video conferencing. New technologies are rapidly emerging that act as intelligent agents and assistant to church, summarizing concept and recognized pattern of information knowledge for an effective knowledge management initiative across the organization. There needs to be place at least. Next, knowledge portal. There is often confusion between the terms information portal and knowledge portal. An information portal is often described as a gateway to information to enable the user to have one or more simplified way of navigating towards the desired information. However, a knowledge portal is far more than an informational portal because as well as information navigation and access. It contains within its software intelligent and nine-step process of knowledge. Furthermore, it contains intelligent agent software to identify and automatically distribute information and knowledge effectively to knowledge workers based on knowledge profiling. Next, knowledge profiles. Within the knowledge portal, each knowledge workers can update and maintain a personal knowledge profile which identifies his her specifically knowledge needs areas of interest and workspaces can be set up for each new team or project. This will become knowledge repositories from which new knowledge will be distilled regularly and systematically and shared across other team in the organization within the shared and collaborative workplace. At least the following communication and collaboration functions could be performed: shared vision and mission, specific team objective, knowledge plan, team members' roles and responsibilities, team contract. Best knowledge bases are banks, expert locator, task management, shared calendar management, meeting management, documentary libraries, discussion forms, centralized email capturing of new learning and ideas, few reviews, learning reviews after action reviews, new knowledge nomination. Next, knowledge management shortage. While the knowledge management process section deal with the general way knowledge can be managed, this sections tackles long-term knowledge management strategy. Strategic investment represent the company's choice options so as to enable and enhance the process outlined earlier. For example, knowledge sharing and to offer help define which knowledge is relevant in line with the strategic objectives and which is not. This section is based on the strategic part of the integrated knowledge management model, which includes knowledge management strategic initiatives, invest support of existing structure, competency, knowledge retention mechanism, culture, external network, and knowledge management system. Invest. Implement changes to structure, competencies, knowledge retention mechanism, cultures, external network, and knowledge management system. Divest. Remove absolute knowledge. The articles that follow are based slowly on the point under the invest. Based on the we arrived at all at the following headlines. Knowledge management and organizational structure, knowledge management and organizational culture, knowledge management and knowledge retention, knowledge management core competencies, knowledge management external management system. Yes, many of you might realize many of the strategic initiatives deal with the aspect that extend into different branches of management. It will end over to stick to the scope of this subsection and for the most part of limit my discussion only to aspect relevant to knowledge management strategies. Further, more at all strategies of the following discussion on knowledge management strategy. It will also refers to different knowledge types and to information technology system whenever necessary. However, the subsection dealing with knowledge management system will be the first that focus specifically on information technology. It will discussion the general implementation issues leading to the subsequent section that looks at some specific system and tools. At the end, I will present a summary of all conclusion and recommendation made through these sections, and the one of the knowledge management process is a subsection titled knowledge management best practice. This will serve as a way to provide a quick overview of knowledge management strategy and could be read on its own by readers who are not interested in a some more detailed account. Detailed account.